All right, now we're going to start talking about trigonometric functions or dealing with trigonometric functions of any angle. So before, in the last section, we were talking about acute angles, right? So angles that were within the first quadrant of the unit circle or of their Cartesian plane. So, but now we're going to open it up to any theta, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to use just some angle, right? So we're going to define theta is the angle of the measurement of an angle in standard form, okay? We're also going to put the xy point is going to be on the terminal side of that angle, okay? And that's going to represent this point here at the end of the line segment from the origin to the point. And then, of course, the measurement of the length of that line segment is going to be r. Okay, we're also going to say that r is equal to, using the distance formula, x squared plus y squared. The square root of x squared plus y squared can't be equal to 0. Okay, so that's going to be one restriction. Okay, so now, with this in mind, here are how we're going to define all of the trigonometric functions. And some of these are going to look familiar based on our discussions earlier on the unit circle. So we have sine of theta is going to equal y over r. So y divided by r. Okay. Cosine theta is going to be x divided by r. Tangent theta is y over x. And then we have cosecant. Cosecant theta is going to be r over y, right? It's the reciprocals. So this is going to be r over y. And again, y can't be equal to 0. And likewise here, x can't be equal to 0. And what else? Oh, and then of course we've got secant. And secant is going to be r over x, where x cannot be equal to 0. And then cotangent of theta, which is going to be x over y, where y cannot be equal to 0. Okay, now, because r can't be equal to 0, it follows that the sine and cosine functions are defined for any real number value of theta. However, when x is equal to 0, the tangent and the secant of theta are undefined. Okay? Right here and right here. And then similarly, when y is equal to 0, obviously cotangent and cosecant are undefined. Okay. All right, so that's all I want to say. So these are the general trigonometric functions for any angle theta.